All right, guys, so we're on the job this morning. We have the roofers here, Wix Roofing, and they have started on the demo of the roof up there. This is nice. You guys know I normally am working solo and I'm doing everything on my own, but in this case, I actually have a specialized roofing company here to do most of this stuff. So first things first, they're ripping things off, and then once they get all that ripped off, we're gonna take a look, see what's damaged, what the problems are. Overall, it's a good start. Everything's rolling pretty smoothly from what I can tell, so we're good to go. Okay guys, so if you don't know, my dad passed away about a month ago or so, and before he did, I told him I was going to get him a new roof. So I'm a man of my word, and we're going to knock this thing out for my mom so she doesn't have to worry. The last time I was up on this roof was actually with my dad when I was about, I would say 10 or 12 years old, and we did about a quarter of the roof because that's all we could afford at the time. The rest of the roof is even older than that, so we're talking about probably 30-40 years. So I decided let's get a new roof on here. So in order to save a little money on my end, I told the roofers that, you know, I would do some of the demo. I knew this solar light had to come out because it was cracked and leaking. That chimney I took out had to come out because it had no fireplace under it. Stuff like that. This is an old yo-yo I used to have when I was 5, 6. It's crazy. Still works. Keeping it. So I had to cut some trees back and do some other stuff. This was before the roofer showed up. This was the day before the roofer showed up. I wanted to get some things that I knew needed to be done, so I wasn't slowing them down once they were done with demo. So this was me patching the 2 holes that I knew I needed to patch. And then just kind of exploring the roof for any areas that may have rot or any type of issues so that I could go get materials while they're demoing the roof. So I went ahead and patched these up, which was just super simple, couple square cuts, no big deal. And then they got to work ripping the roof off. I will say this is the cleanest demo roof I've ever seen. Shout out to Wix Roofing on the Central Coast of California. They did an amazing job keeping the driveway and the grass and everything around the house super clean. They finished that demo in one day, and then that evening around 5 o'clock, I started throwing some sheets of OSB up top so I could get started on building back what needed to be built back. If you see my technique here, check this out, right? You grab it, you put it into your waist, you bend your knees, it pops that end up, and you throw it up on the roof. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, got it done. I was tired, this was the end of the day, but this was one of the first jobs I've been on where I haven't been working like from start to finish. So honestly, this was easy work for me. So one thing that the roofers told me before they left was that there's some 1x6 old school like roof slats that you can see here that they weren't confident nailing into, because if they hit between those boards or if those boards split, it might not hold the roof like it should. So they said it would probably be smart to just do a new OSB on top of all of that, just so that we have that pull-out strength that the Owens Corning Duration Cool shingles give you. So I got it done right before dark, and we were sitting pretty, and everything looked really nice. And I was actually shocked at how well the roof held up and that there wasn't more major issues to be handled. So that was super exciting for me. The next day, we got the delivery of our Duration Cool shingles. These are a shingle that have reflective granulates in it that actually reflect the sunlight from the roof to give you a more efficient home and a cooler roof, which is super cool because 1, it'll make your shingles last longer, and 2, it'll keep your home more efficient. And the underlayment is the titanium FR, that stands for fire resistance, which for California, I mean, I wouldn't do anything but this. It slows the spread of fire from the inside or the outside. So super stoked. What the roofers do is they actually run that titanium FR on the ridge, and then they stack the shingles on that ridge so that they can have those on site after the delivery and they don't have to carry them up later. And once they got that all set up and all the supplies delivered, they basically got rocking and rolling on laying out this titanium FR. And you can see here the roofers are opening that bundle. The way they roll this out is they tack one corner, even though this is a self-adhered, meaning it sticks to the roof. They tack it on one side so that it holds and it doesn't come undone. And then they just roll it out all the way across. And it looks really good. It's really durable, and they don't have to worry about walking on it because it has Surefoot technology, so it doesn't twist, it doesn't pull out. There's no nails, there's no fasteners. In my opinion, when it comes to building efficient homes, the less fasteners you put in places where there's water, the better. And you can see there, that's that Surefoot technology. It has almost like an alligator skin type of feel to it that makes it really comfortable for the roofers to walk around on and work on. This is a low slope, but if it was a higher slope, you know, it'd be even more beneficial. They went ahead and started with the Owens Corning starter shingle. A lot of roofers will just flip a standard shingle around. That's not the way to do it. Get the starter shingles, that's the right way. Then they jumped into the valley pans. This is where any valleys on your roof, this is where water is going to be hitting it from multiple angles. This flashing is super important to save you from having rot or other water issues at those points. So they went ahead and started doing that. And once they got that flashing, that drip edge and that starter shingle in, they started popping shingles up on that second day, which was super cool for me to see. And I'm really excited. This is the first time in my lifetime that this house has seen a new roof, and it was really excited to see high quality products go in that I won't have to worry about probably for the rest of my life, as well as the install that these guys put together was a really good install. I'll admit they went slower than I normally see roofers go, say here in Texas, but when I was watching the quality of work that they were doing, I was totally fine with them going at the pace that they were going at, because it really did show through on the craftsmanship, the lining up of the shingles, the drip edge, the starter shingles, the valley pans, all that stuff was just put together immaculately. So I'm super excited about how Wix Roofing handled this project. So this is where we ended it on day 2, and day 3 is when things really started to move. One thing I want to point out here is I feel like a lot of us look at life for what it could be, and sometimes we miss looking at life for what it is. And I know my dad recently passed away, but I'm also so blessed and grateful for the skills that he gave me, the fact that I was able to work on this roof with him, and then I was able to tell him that I was going to get it done before he passed, and I was able to get it done for my mom so she doesn't have something to worry about. And I'm just super grateful and blessed for this opportunity. Alrighty guys, so we got rolling on day 3. I had to drive out early on day 4, so I didn't get to see the finalized product. I'm waiting for some footage to come in on that, but we got new underlayment, we got new decking in areas, new drip edge, we got new gutters, we got new ridge cap, we got new roof vents. Wix Roofing really did an amazing job. I highly recommend them if you're on the Central Coast of California. That ridge cap, look at that. I mean, oh my goodness, the colors, it matches with the backdrop and everything that's happening on that property. I'm more than happy with this product. I would highly recommend checking out Owens Corning. They did me a solid by helping me get this roof done. Thanks for watching this video. If you guys want more information on the actual install and the step-by-step on how it's done, leave a comment below and we'll get a video made for that. I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Much love.